Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. Different types of houses. Let's start. Find out who live in the following building. The White House. White House में कौन रहता है? राष्ट्रपति भवन में and in the Buckingham Palace. All of these places. कहाँ पे हैं ये? कौन रहता है? Just find it out and write down. A house is a place where we live. It may be big or small. Our house keeps us safe and comfortable. The house protects us from harsh weather, wild animals and thieves, and there are different kinds of houses depending on various factors like climate, location and materials available. अलग-अलग तरीके के घर होते हैं, but हर टाइप का घर हमको weather conditions, चोरों से और wild animals से protect करता है. Houses as per materials. On the basis of the building materials used in them, houses can be divided into two categories. Number one is kacha houses. These houses are made of mud, straw, bamboo and wood. These houses are mostly found in villages. They are not very strong houses and need to be repaired often. Kacha houses हल्के materials, मिट्टी वगैरह से बनते हैं. Temporary house भी इन्हें बोला जाता है और बहुत regular इनका बहुत frequently क्या करना पड़ता है? Repair करवाना पड़ता है. Then we have pakka houses. These houses are built of bricks, stone, cement, iron and concrete. They have strong foundation and walls. Such houses are mostly found in towns and cities and they are stronger than kacha houses. They do not need to be repaired often. अब ये वाले घर आपको cities में दिखेंगे. Concrete, bricks, इन सब से ये बनते हैं and that is why ये आपके लंबे समय तक रहते हैं. Frequently इनको repair नहीं कराना पड़ता. They are strong houses. Pakka houses are of different types like single-storied house, apartment, bungalow, multi-storied house. Single floor का house भी होता है, flats भी होते हैं apartments में, bungalow भी होता है, and then multi-storied house. Multiple floors भी एक घर में हो सकते हैं. Houses as per location. Houses are built according to the climate of the place. Igloos are houses made of ice blocks. They are built by Eskimos in the regions where temperature is very low and there is snow all around. These houses remain warm inside and provide protection from icy winds to the inhabitants. अब जहाँ बर्फ पड़ती है वहाँ igloos बनते हैं. अंदर से ये बहुत गर्म होते हैं और इसमें रहने वाले लोगों को बोलते हैं Eskimos. In hot desert, people live in tents made of thick, strong cloth called canvas. These remain cool inside and can be carried easily from one place to another. अब आपके canvas जो आपके hot deserts होते हैं, वहाँ पे canvas cloth से आपके tents बनाए जाते हैं, which you can mantle and dismantle very easily. Tents are also useful during camping. They are used by soldiers, scouts and guides and people who are camping. फिर tents होते हैं, soldiers तो use करते ही हैं because they travel very often. Apart from that, travelers also use it. जहाँ मन करता है वहाँ रुक जाते हैं. Stilt houses are commonly found in places like Assam where it rains a lot. They are built high up on poles called stilts. These stilts keep such a house safe from high rising water, snakes and other animals. Stilts also protect the house from flood water. Stilt houses are made of bamboo, cane, palm leaves and wood. They have sloping roofs so the rainwater can flow down the roofs easily. फिर स्टिल्ट हाउसेज बड़े बड़े जहाँ पे बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा होती है लंबी लंबी बैम्बू स्टिक्स के ऊपर घर बनाए जाते हैं ताकि पानी अंदर एंटर ना करे. Good to know. Kings and queens used to live in very big, spacious and permanent houses called forts and palaces. फिर किंग्स एंड क्वींस हैं, ये पहले बहुत बड़े बड़े घरों में रहते थे जिसे फोर्ट्स और पैलेसेस बोला जाता है. Houseboats are floating houses that can float on a lake or a canal. It is actually a boat with a number of rooms on it. In India, houseboats are found in Dal Lake in Srinagar and in the backwaters in Kerala. अब आपके हाउस बोट्स आते हैं. हाउस बोट में आपके अंदर सारी फैसिलिटीज होती हैं. ये इंडिया में श्रीनगर के डल लेक में और केरला के बैक वाटर्स में देखी जाती है. And caravans are mobile houses which move on wheels. They can be taken from one place to another. Gypsies and people who work in the circus usually live in these houses. अब caravans को mobile houses बोला जाता है. Mobile मतलब जो movable होते हैं, जो travelers होते हैं, ज़्यादातर वो लोग इस तरीके के caravans लेते हैं. These are called house on wheels. चलाइए, जहाँ जाना है वहाँ रुकिए, पीछे पूरा घर होता है. A clean house. Every member in a family must help in keeping the house neat and clean. We should sweep, dust and mop the house every day. Surroundings of our house should be kept clean to keep away rats, flies, ants, etc. Curtains and bedclothes must be changed and cleaned periodically. A good house should be airy and plenty of sun rays should enter the house. Sun rays kills germs. Garbage should be kept in covered bins and given to the garbage collectors. Toilets and bathrooms should be kept clean. Windows should have wire nettings to prevent flies and mosquitoes from entering the house. तो एक अच्छे घर में रेगुलरली कर्टेन्स, बेड क्लोथ्स चेंज होते रहने चाहिए. सनरेज प्रॉपर आए इसीलिए विंडोज और गेट्स बहुत सारे होने चाहिए. एंड अ प्रॉपर एंड अ क्लीन हाउस शुड ऑलवेज बी डस्टेड एंड मॉप्ड ऑन रेगुलर इंटरवल्स. Good to know. There may be 19,000 dust mites in only 1 gram of dust. So we would be careful while sweeping floors. तो ध्यान से हमें साफ सफाई घर में करनी चाहिए. Now let's take a test. Circle the correct word. Household waste should be thrown in the dust bin. Likewise, answer the rest of the points also. Decorating the house. Apart from keeping our house clean, we can make it look attractive by decorating its interior. We can decorate our houses with wall paintings, showpieces and flower pots. We can decorate the walls with wallpapers or paint them in different colors. Curtains, furnishing and furniture make the house look different. On festivals or special occasions, we decorate the front of our house by making a rangoli on the floor. Colored powders, flowers and diyas are used to make rangolis. तो घर आपका अपना है, जैसे आपको सजाना है आप सजा सकते हैं. कर्टेन सुंदर ले आइए, वॉल्स को पेंट करिए, वॉलपेपर्स लगाइए, अच्छे से साफ भी रखिए, डेकोरेटेड भी रखिए, सुंदर भी लगेगा, साफ भी रहेगा. Now let's revise. A house protects us from harsh weather, wild animals and thieves. Kacha houses and pakka houses are built with different materials. Houses like the igloo, tent, stilt, karwa and the houseboat are built as per location. We must keep our houses neat and clean. We decorate our homes with rangoli on festive occasions. तो आपने अलग अलग टाइप्स के घर के बारे में पढ़ा. And how do we decorate our houses on certain occasions is what we have read in this chapter. Now the practice time. Tick the correct answer. Which of these are made of bricks and cement? Pakka house. Houseboats are commonly found in Kerala. An igloo is a house made of ice. It is called a house on wheels. Karwa. Fill in the blanks. A house is a place where we live. Fill in the blanks. A house is a place where we live. A kacha house is made up of mud, bamboo and dry leaves. A pakka house is a strong house. A stilt house or bamboo keeps the stilt house safe from rising water, snakes and other animals. Colorful patterns on the floors made using colored powder is called rangoli. Right, true or false? Temporary houses are mostly found in towns and cities. False. A houseboat is made of snow. False. A good house should have proper drainage system. True. Gypsies usually live in caravans. True. Answer the following questions. Why do we need a house? So that we stay protected from thieves, wild animals, stray animals, and also from different weather conditions. And likewise, you will answer the rest of the questions. Skills builder. Take a walk around your locality. Make a list of different types of houses found on the basis of shape, size and materials used to build them. आसपास जाइए, देखिए किस तरीके के घर हैं, क्या materials उसमें यूज हुआ है. Paste the pictures of different types of houses on a chart paper and write their names. अलग-अलग types के जो आपके houses हैं, उनको chart paper पे paste करिए pictures and write their names. Find out about all the people who help build a home. Ask them about the work they do and what tools they use. आसपास जाइए, जो लोग घर बनाते हैं उनसे पूछिए किस तरीके के materials वो use करते हैं घर बनाने के लिए. Life skill. Always keep your house neat and clean. Always throw the waste in dustbin. घर भी साफ रखिए, neighbor भी साफ रखिए, environment भी साफ रखिए और सारा कूड़ा dustbin में. So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.